WTF! Hey, this is Kevin Grolug. I'm a real estate agent with Compass in Bethesda, Maryland, and thank you for checking out my latest video in a series, Real Kevin. Today, we're going to dive into the 7 tips that you can take now to winterize the exterior of your home. This list not only will protect your home, but could save you tens of thousands of dollars of unnecessary repairs. All right, let's dive in. Number 1, clean gutters. This is very important to do. If the gutters are stuffed with leaves and branches and twigs, you're just asking for trouble going into the winter months. As the temperature gets colder and precipitation occurs, ice will build up, which can damage both your roof as well as your gutters and the fascia board that the gutters are attached to. It's also a recipe for future flooding after heavy rainfalls and snowstorms. So let's get those gutters cleaned. Number 2, remove, drain your hoses, and store them away. First of all, let's start with you need to disconnect the hose from the hose bib. You want to raise the hose from one side to start draining the water out. Once all the water is removed, coil it up, store it away. Number 3, shut off all exterior hose bibs. Now this one directly correlates with number 2, which is removing the hose and draining the water. Guys, this one is super important and definitely should be done before Thanksgiving. Once you've removed the hoses, go inside, identify the valve that operates the line going out to both front and back, and shut them off. And one last step, what you're going to want to do is open up the hose bib on the outside and drain any water that's left in the line. If you don't take these steps, you should definitely expect frozen pipes sometime this winter. Not only may you find a flooded basement, but you'll also potentially have mold to deal with. Number 4, outdoor furniture. Either cover them up or remove them and store them away to protect them during the winter months. Also, things like seat cushions can be an awesome place for mice to find a nice new home. So you want to put them in bags, cover them up, put them away. Number 5, remove excess leaves and debris from your patio or decking area. If large piles of leaves and debris are left frozen to your deck or to your patio, you can expect staining to occur once the spring thaw occurs. Number 6, trim shrubbery and landscaping. Some annual landscaping like hydrangea and liriope should be deadheaded at the end of the season. Basically what this means is removing all the dead growth, cutting it basically down to the ground so that new growth can occur in the spring. Don't forget to shape up other bushes and shrubbery as well. Pay special attention to make sure of any shrubbery that's growing up against the home. You want to make sure that it's kept away from the home. Once again, shrubbery that's up against the home is just another invitation for water to come in. Number 7, trim tree branches if necessary. If tree branches are either extending above your roof or even close to your roof, once again, an open invitation for a few different problems. Obviously, you expose your home to the tree branch coming down and damaging your home. You're also going to have the problem with your gutters getting clogged again. And the other thing that most people don't think of is this is a very easy way for squirrels to get into your attic. So that's it. There's my list. What do you think? Do you have any suggestions? If so, love to hear your comments below. Thanks once again for visiting my video series, Real Kevin. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. And oh yeah, next week we're going to talk about the 8 interior items that you can do to winterize your home. Have a great day, everybody. See you next Wednesday.